What's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook Masoor Pulav. Masoor Pulav is an Indian dish cooked with lentils, meat, rice and Indian spices. These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe.
Lentils, minced turkey, basmati rice, canola oil, coriander, chili paste, lemon juice, garlic, potatoes, onion, salt, cumin, coriander, garam masala, turmeric, paprika, mint leaves, nutmeg.
To start, we'll wash the rice about 3 or 4 times till the time most of the starch is gone, and then we are going to cook it on the stove. Next, we are going to cut potatoes into smaller pieces and boil them in the microwave oven. I've cut the potatoes to this size. I'm going to wash it up a little bit and then I'll put water in it, and then we'll put it in the microwave oven and cook it for about 12 minutes. Start. I washed the rice about 3 to 4 times. There is 2 mugs of rice and 4 mugs of water. I'm going to start cooking at high temperature and I'll add salt and oil to it. This is a food chopper which has been provided to us by Salima from Pampered Chef, and I'm going to use it to chop the onions. That's fine. So this is chopped onion now. I'm starting to cook meat. First what we'll do is put oil in it. We are starting on high temperature. I'll start with onion. We are going to cook onion until it's light brown, till the time you can smell the burning of the onion. Keep stirring the onion in the oil and make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay, now the onion is ready. You can see it's light brown and I can smell the onion. I'm going to put this 1 pound of turkey minced meat and blend it with the onion. At this stage, I'll put a little bit more water so I can separate it properly. This is still on high heat and it's cooking on high right now. Mix it well and then try to separate it as much as possible. This looks pretty good. When the rice boils to the level where water has reduced and you can see the bubbles coming up, now we are going to just shut it and just let it be there. Later we are going to mix it with meat. So cook this meat for about 10 minutes and then we are going to put potatoes in the meat. So meat has cooked for about 10 minutes now, and now we are going to add potatoes to that. Just have to make sure like you don't put too much water in this. Just enough water so that you can spice it properly and blend it. Okay, so we'll start adding spices now. First we'll put chili coriander paste, the lemon juice, salt, cumin about a teaspoon, coriander, garam masala, everything is about a teaspoonful. Same with paprika, about a teaspoonful, turmeric about a teaspoon, nutmeg half a teaspoon, and a teaspoon of dry mint. Just blend it. 2 cloves of garlic, just cover it for 2 or 3 minutes. Now I'm going to put lentils, which is masoor, we call it in Indian language, and this is already cooked. It came in the can, so this is the last thing we are putting in here. Now you can see there is not too much water in this. So whatever water we used was in the rice, that's going to steam the whole pulao. Okay, so now I'm going to put rice in it. I'm going to blend it up. And I'm going to change the temperature to 1, very low. And blend it well so all meat, lentil and rice, they are mixed well. You can see how it looks. We are going to cover it up and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes and your pulao will be done. It's about 12 minutes now and I'm going to open this and see how it turned out. Rice is cooked nice. We just have to let it dry for a little while and then we can eat. Okay, so we'll just put this as garnishing, optional. This is our final product, Masoor Pulao. Try it at home and enjoy yourself. Until next time.